Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of electronics technology news is Vision Engineering launches OPTA sub £1,000 stereo microscope. Vision Engineering, UK designer, manufacturer and exporter of ergonomic microscopes and measuring systems, today announces a new sub £1,000 entry point for its patented optical stereo microscope technology with the global launch of OPTA. Plus it has enhanced a number of its product ranges. Available for only £900, with a choice of 3 stands and 2 lenses, OPTA redefines the entry point for users to benefit from Vision Engineering's exceptional image quality, ergonomic design, and ease of use. Additionally, Vision Engineering announces exciting advancements across its popular EVO Cam, Lynx EVO, and Swift Pro product lines. These enhancements broaden the appeal and applications of these powerful tools, making them more accessible to a wider range of industries and users. EVO Cam Icon, simply better for quality inspection. The EVO Cam series now boasts a wider range of configurations, offering even greater flexibility for digital inspection tasks. With the launch of a new, simplified icon model, users can now choose from multiple software configurations and ergonomic stands to perfectly tailor their EVO Cam system, enabling effortless image comparison, capture, measurement, and reporting. Award-winning Lynx EVO range extended for superior 3D viewing. Building upon its reputation for unparalleled ergonomic design and stunning 3D stereo imaging, the Lynx EVO series has been extended to include a simpler, non-zoom variant to appeal to a more price-conscious market. This makes the benefits of Lynx EVO accessible to a much wider audience who have applications demanding exceptional image quality and clarity, usable working distance, and exceptional user comfort. Swift Pro, precision measurement with a new edge. Vision Engineering has enhanced the Swift Pro metrology line, its flagship range of benchtop optical measuring systems, with the release of the new Swift Pro Edge. Featuring a 6.5x zoom, the Edge enables quick, precise measurements of a wide range of part sizes and features without time-consuming lens changes for different measurement tasks. Using our industry-standard, user-friendly Metlogic software, operators of all skill levels will operate the Edge more efficiently and more productively. Commenting on the upcoming product launches, Paul Newbat, Group Sales and Marketing Director at Vision Engineering, says these products are the combined result of listening to our customers and continuously developing our innovative products. By bringing OPTA to market now and enhancing the value propositions of our EVO Cam, Lynx EVO, and Swift Pro ranges, we are confident that these new solutions will significantly broaden the appeal of our inspection and metrology portfolio. This enables a much wider range of customers in existing and new markets to better achieve their inspection and measurement objectives with Vision Engineering solutions. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of my Electronics Technology channel, and for searching my channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.